Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. In today's session of Teaching with Teams, we will be looking at how easy it is to add files to any of our channels or teams directly from OneDrive. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here I am in my Teams math class, and what I want to do is I want to simply go ahead and add a file into one of my channels from my OneDrive. So I will simply go to Files on the Me space, and I will click on OneDrive, and I will scroll all the way down until I get my section 9.1. I'm going to go ahead and check on this. I'm simply going to go ahead and click Copy. And it's going to ask me, where do you want to send this to? I'm going to browse my Teams. I want to send it to Teams Math. And let's say I want to send it to the coffee channel. And it's also going to ask me, do you want to put it in this folder? I don't want to. I'm simply going to click copy. And now I'm going to go back to my Teams. And here I am in my coffee channel. I want to click on Files. And there I have my section 9.1. And now I want to go back to my watermelon channel here. Now, instead of doing the same steps, as you can see on the files, I don't have any files here. I do not have any files. So I'm going to go back to the main channel here. And what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a file as an announcement so my students can see it. So I'm going all the way down here to click Attach, Attach from OneDrive. I'm going to scroll all the way down to section 9.1 and I'm going to say Upload a copy. And once it's uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and click Send. And now when I go back to my files, you will see it has automatically been added into my files and also as an announcement. So that's another way to do it as well. I hope you like this feature. If you do, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. There might be an educator who might need this. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to comment below. And do not forget, happy teaching.